Okay, so as promised, here is my first flight. And I guess, first of all, I would say that the controls for this drone are actually really quite easy to use. The automatic lift off and land button is particularly useful, particularly if you're a novice like myself. Now, I did this on a day where there was, I would say, a very little breeze, and I found the drone particularly difficult to handle because of that. It is a really small drone, it is very light, so the slightest breeze and you're going to lose a little bit of control. The next thing you'll notice is the video quality. Now, it's advertised as being a 720p camera. However, the video quality I don't think is 720p. The lighting conditions, it was perhaps a little bit dark. It was about 9 o'clock in the morning. The sun wasn't fully up yet. However, as you can see, it's not a particularly sharp image. You'll see me just playing with the controls there. That's why it's a little bit jumpy. Yep, I'm still playing with the controls. As you can see, it moves fairly well. It holds in the same position really well. Like I said, as long as you don't get much of a breeze. It's an incredibly fun little drone to fly. Now, this isn't my first flight. I did fly it the day before. However, I did it in a much more enclosed area, which was my back garden, which I absolutely regret. Within 2 minutes, it was flying over my neighbours' houses and landing in gardens I didn't really want to go into. I would recommend for your first couple of flights, make sure you're in a big open space. Within a couple of minutes, you really will have a lot of fun with this. My next criticism for this particular drone is you'll see that this video lasts for just over 4 minutes. Now, that is pretty much the length of time you're going to get with this battery. By the time I got to the end of this video, the controller was beeping, telling me that the battery was almost done. So yeah, 4 minutes of fun isn't particularly good. I would recommend getting backup batteries if you really want to use this drone. You'll notice here, when you get down, the quality of the camera when it's not moving is actually decent. The grass that you're looking at the moment is pretty sharp. The camera quality issue comes when you actually start moving the drone. Like I said in my unboxing though, I only paid $39.99 for this. So I think you've kind of got to be realistic with your expectations. Like I said, 4 minutes isn't a lot. However, the 4 minutes you do get, it's a lot of fun to fly. Yeah, I mean, it can go really fast. My other bit of advice is read the instructions, find out what the buttons on the back of the controller are for, and yeah, you'll have a lot of fun.